Let's talk about change, real change. The kind of change that doesn't just alter your appearance but transforms your entire life. It's about making a commitment to yourself, a promise to become the best version of you. The kind that transforms your life, not just your body. Imagine looking in the mirror and seeing not just a physical transformation, but a reflection of your inner strength and resilience. This journey is about more than just shedding pounds. It's about gaining confidence, self-respect, and a renewed sense of purpose. We're diving deep into weight loss, but this is about so much more. It's about embracing a lifestyle that promotes overall well-being. Picture yourself lacing up those running shoes, feeling the anticipation of a great workout ahead. Every drop of sweat is a testament to your dedication and hard work. It's about finding your inner strength, the kind of strength that pushes you to lift that extra weight, to run that extra mile, to push through the toughest workouts. It's about discovering the power within you that you never knew existed. It's about reclaiming your health and happiness. Imagine the joy of eating nutritious foods that fuel your body and mind. The exhilaration of running through a park with a smile on your face, feeling the wind in your hair and the sun on your skin. You know that feeling, that burning desire for something more. That's your inner fire. It's that spark that drives you to set goals, to dream big, and to chase those dreams with relentless determination. It's the vision of a healthier, happier you that keeps you motivated. It's time to unleash it. Imagine the thrill of sprinting towards your goals, breaking through barriers, and crossing the finish line with a sense of accomplishment. This is your moment to shine, to prove to yourself that you are capable of achieving greatness. This isn't about fitting into a certain size. It's about breaking free from the constraints of societal expectations and embracing your unique journey. Picture yourself throwing away that scale, dancing freely, and celebrating every small victory along the way. It's about feeling alive, energized, and unstoppable. This is your journey, your time. Imagine waking up with a sense of purpose, feeling the energy coursing through your veins and knowing that you are unstoppable. This is your time to take control of your life and make it everything you've ever dreamed of. Are you ready to take control? Are you ready to set those goals, to take action, and to make a commitment to yourself? This is your opportunity to take charge of your destiny and create the life you've always wanted. Are you ready to become the best version of yourself? Let's do this together. Imagine the support of a community that believes in you, the camaraderie of people who share your goals, and the confidence that comes from knowing you are not alone. Together, we can achieve anything. Let's ignite that fire and embark on this incredible journey. We all have our stories, our struggles, our triumphs. Each of us faces unique challenges that test our resolve and push us to our limits. These moments of hardship can feel isolating, but they are also what connect us as human beings. We share a common thread of resilience and determination. I've been there, battling weight, feeling stuck, wondering if things would ever change. The mirror can be a harsh critic, reflecting not just our physical appearance but our inner turmoil. The frustration of feeling like you're not making progress can be overwhelming. It's easy to feel defeated when the scale doesn't budge, or when your clothes feel just as tight as they did last week. I remember the frustration, the feeling of being trapped in my own body, the stress of daily life compounded by the weight of my own expectations, sitting alone, feeling defeated, and wondering if I would ever break free from this cycle. The constant self-criticism, the endless comparisons to others who seem to have it all figured out. But I also remember the moment I decided to fight back. It was a turning point, a decision to take control of my life and my health. I started small, with simple changes like tying my running shoes and going for a walk, choosing healthier meals, and lifting weights with a newfound focus. Each small step was a victory, a testament to my commitment to change. It wasn't easy. There were setbacks, challenges, moments of doubt, but I kept pushing. Every drop of sweat, every struggle to lift weights, every tough run was a reminder of my determination. There were days when I wanted to give up, when the pain and effort seemed too much to bear, but I learned to embrace the struggle, to see it as a necessary part of the journey. I found strength I didn't know I had. Each workout, each healthy choice, each moment of perseverance revealed a resilience within me that I had never recognized before. Flexing my muscles in the mirror, smiling after a tough workout, achieving fitness milestones I once thought impossible. These were the moments that fueled my journey. And slowly but surely, I started to see results. The numbers on the scale began to change, my clothes fit better, and I could see the transformation in my before and after photos. Tracking my progress on a fitness app became a source of motivation, a visual representation of my hard work paying off. Looking at my reflection, I felt a sense of pride and accomplishment. More importantly, I started to feel different. Stronger, healthier, happier. The physical changes were just the beginning. I found a new sense of peace and contentment in my daily life. Jogging with a smile, practicing yoga with a sense of calm, enjoying healthy meals with genuine pleasure, these were the true rewards of my journey. I discovered that the strength I found in my struggle was not just physical but emotional and mental as well. It was a holistic transformation that touched every aspect of my life. Let's be real, the biggest obstacles are often between our ears: fear, doubt, negative self-talk. These are the real enemies. We tell ourselves we're not strong enough, disciplined enough, or worthy of change. These are lies. You are capable of amazing things. But first, you need to believe in yourself. Challenge those negative thoughts. Replace them with positive affirmations. Focus on your why. Why is this important to you? Hold on to that reason. Let it fuel your fire. Let's talk food. It's not about deprivation, it's about nourishment. Think of food as fuel for your body and mind. Start by making small, sustainable changes. Cut back on processed foods, sugary drinks, and unhealthy fats. Focus on whole, unprocessed foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Drink plenty of water. It's essential for your body to function properly. And don't be afraid to indulge in moderation. Deprivation leads to cravings and binges. Find a balance that works for you. Section 5. Moving towards a healthier you, making exercise a part of your life. Movement is medicine. Exercise is not just a task to be checked off your to-do list, it's a lifestyle change that can transform your life in countless ways. It's not just about burning calories, it's about feeling good, both physically and mentally. Regular physical activity can boost your mood, improve your sleep, and help you manage stress. It's a holistic approach to well-being. Find activities you enjoy: walking, dancing, swimming, hiking, whatever gets you moving. The key is to choose something that you look forward to, something that feels less like a chore and more like a fun part of your day. Start slowly and gradually increase the intensity and duration of your workouts. It's important to listen to your body and not push yourself too hard too soon. Consistency is more important than intensity when you're just starting out. Make exercise a non-negotiable part of your routine. Set realistic goals and track your progress. Celebrate small victories along the way to stay motivated. Schedule it into your day like any other important appointment. Whether it's a morning jog, a lunchtime yoga session, or an evening gym class, having a set time for exercise can help you stay committed. And find a workout buddy. Exercising with a friend can make the experience more enjoyable and provide the extra motivation you need to stick with it. Having someone to support you and hold you accountable can make all the difference. They can cheer you on during tough workouts and celebrate your achievements with you. Plus, it's a great way to bond and spend quality time together. Don't forget to warm up before and cool down after your workouts. Stretching can help prevent injuries and improve your flexibility. Hydration is also key, so make sure to drink plenty of water before, during, and after exercise. Pair your exercise routine with a balanced diet. Eating nutritious foods can fuel your workouts and aid in recovery. Meal prepping can help you stay on track with your nutrition goals. Lastly, remember that rest and recovery are just as important as the workouts themselves. Make sure to get enough sleep and take rest days to allow your body to heal and grow stronger. By making exercise a part of your life, you're investing in your health and happiness. It's a journey, not a destination, and every step you take brings you closer to a healthier, happier you. Section 6. Celebrating small victories, the power of consistency. This is a marathon, not a sprint. Focus on progress, not perfection. Celebrate every victory, no matter how small. Did you drink more water today? Awesome. Did you choose a healthy meal over fast food? High five. Every step you take, every choice you make, brings you closer to your goals. Don't get discouraged by setbacks. They are a natural part of the process. Learn from them, adjust your approach, and keep moving forward. Know you've been a good friend. Section 7. Navigating social situations. Staying strong in the face of temptation. Social gatherings can be challenging, but you don't have to sacrifice your progress. Have a plan. Decide in advance what you'll eat and drink. Don't be afraid to say no. Your health is more important than anyone's opinion. And remember, you're not alone. Surround yourself with supportive people who encourage your journey. Embracing setbacks. Turning challenges into opportunities. Setbacks are inevitable. Life happens. You might overindulge, miss a workout, or hit a plateau. It's okay. Don't let it derail your progress. View setbacks as learning experiences. What can you learn from this? How can you adjust your approach? Get back on track and keep moving forward. The ripple effect. Transforming your life, inside and out. As you lose weight and get healthier, you'll notice a ripple effect in other areas of your life. You'll have more energy, sleep better, and feel more confident. Your relationships will improve. You'll be more productive at work. You'll radiate a new sense of vitality and purpose. This is about so much more than a number on the scale. It's about living your best life. Finding your tribe, the importance of support. You don't have to do this alone. Surround yourself with people who believe in you, support you, and inspire you. Join a support group. Find a workout buddy. Share your journey with loved ones. Having a strong support system can make all the difference. Your journey, your victory. Unleashing your inner strength. This is your journey, your time to shine. You have the power to transform your life. Believe in yourself, embrace the challenge, celebrate every victory. Remember, this is not just about losing weight, it's about gaining health, happiness, and a renewed sense of purpose. It's about becoming the best version of yourself. Now go out there and make it happen. I'm cheering you on every step of the way. Now that you've unlocked your inner strength and embraced your journey, it's time to take the next steps. You can get Richard Mante's weight loss book called You Will Keep Struggling to Lose Weight Until You Try This 4-Step Method of Losing Weight from his website richardmante.com and also from Amazon. This book will provide you with additional strategies and insights to support your weight loss journey. Kindly support this channel by pressing the like button and subscribing to get future awesome videos. Your support helps us to continue bringing you valuable content. Thank you for watching, and remember, your journey to a healthier, happier you is just beginning. We're with you every step of the way.